In the case of this thing, if you do it every 60,000, 70,000 miles, that's perfectly fine. And this is one of the reasons that led to many cars with automatic transmissions today having no dipsticks where you can check the oil. I got customers of these things that have 250, 300,000 miles. They've never changed any of those fluids.
What if I told you your transmission is at risk every time you drive, and it's not your fault? The answer lies in something hiding under your hood. Your car's factory transmission cooling system. It's not built to last, and it might already be failing you. Today, we'll show you the aftermarket fix that could extend your transmission's life by years. Don't wait for it to break. Before we move on, I will like you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Heat is the #1 enemy of your car's transmission, but most drivers have no idea how much damage it's quietly causing. Your transmission looks durable. It's made of thick metal, full of high-tech components, and built to handle thousands of miles. But here's the problem. Transmissions generate heat every time you drive, and when that heat isn't properly managed, it begins to break everything down from the inside out. Here's the truth. Most factory transmission coolers aren't built to handle heavy loads, extreme heat, or demanding driving conditions. They're just adequate enough for everyday commutes under ideal circumstances. That's why issues often pop up when you tow a trailer, idle in traffic, or drive in high temperatures. Imagine this. It's a sweltering 100-degree Fahrenheit day, and you're hauling a camper up a steep grade. While you might feel the heat in the cab, your transmission fluid could easily shoot to dangerous temperatures without warning. The factory cooling system just isn't designed to exhaust all that extra heat, and now your transmission is paying the price. When transmissions get too hot, they tell you, but only if you're paying attention. Signs like delayed shifting, where the gears hesitate to engage, or a burnt smell when you get out of your vehicle are red flags. That burning smell? It's your transmission fluid literally cooking at a temperature it wasn't designed to handle. Most people ignore these early signs because the transmission still works, at least for now. What they don't realize is that even a small overheat can begin to shorten the lifespan of the entire system. A 20-degree Fahrenheit increase in fluid temperature can cut your transmission's life expectancy in half. So, a vehicle that might have easily crossed 200,000 miles could now end up with its transmission failing at 100,000 miles or less. That's how unforgiving heat damage can be. Now, let's talk numbers for a second. Transmission fluid operates best between 175 degrees Fahrenheit and 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it hits 240 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, the damage becomes severe and rapid. Think about it. When fluid overheats like that, it loses its lubricating properties. What used to smoothly protect your gears and components now allows friction and grinding. And once that friction begins, parts start wearing out exponentially faster. Repairing a transmission ruined by heat isn't just inconvenient, it's expensive, often costing $3,000 to $5,000 and sometimes more. This is where auxiliary transmission coolers come into the picture. These upgrades are game changers when it comes to managing heat. Think of them as backup radiators built to handle the extra stress factory systems can't. By adding this relatively small component to your vehicle, you can reduce transmission fluid temperatures by 30 degrees to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. That's significant. For example, if your fluid is consistently running at a risky 220 degrees Fahrenheit, dropping it down to 170 degrees Fahrenheit can make all the difference between years of reliable use and an early, costly failure. So, now we understand the problem. Heat is killing your transmission, and your factory cooling system isn't stopping it. But how exactly do auxiliary coolers work? And how can they save you thousands in potential repair costs? In the next section, we're breaking down what makes these coolers so effective and why this small upgrade could be the biggest lifesaver for your car or truck. You know the problem. Now, let's talk about the solution that could save you thousands. Auxiliary transmission coolers are one of the simplest, most effective upgrades you can make to your vehicle. They're specifically designed to address the problem factory systems can't handle. Heat. By installing an auxiliary cooler, you add a vital layer of temperature control that helps your transmission fluid stay within a healthy range, regardless of what you're towing, where you're driving, or how hot the day gets. But what happens when you don't make this upgrade? A transmission running hot isn't just at risk, it's on a ticking clock. Without proper cooling, the fluid breaks down, the gears wear prematurely, and you're left staring at repair costs that can easily climb past $4,000. If your transmission fails while you're on the road, that bill gets even bigger once you include towing or emergency services. The worst part? It's not just about cost. It's the stress of being stranded or dealing with a vital repair you didn't plan for. Choosing not to upgrade is a gamble, and the stakes are high. Now, here's how auxiliary coolers work. Think of them as a second radiator, except their job isn't to cool your engine. It's to keep your transmission fluid at an optimal temperature. They are highly effective at pulling heat out of the fluid as it cycles through. As your transmission fluid flows into the auxiliary cooler, it passes through rows of small tubes surrounded by fins. These fins increase the surface area exposed to airflow, allowing heat to dissipate more efficiently. Unlike a factory cooling system, which is often overworked by demanding conditions, auxiliary coolers have a singular focus. And that simplicity makes them far better at keeping your transmission cool under pressure. The numbers make it difficult to argue against this upgrade. Good quality auxiliary coolers typically cost between $100 and $300. That's a relatively minor expense compared to the cost of replacing a transmission. For something that actively protects an essential part of your vehicle, it's one of the most cost-effective options out there. It's like an insurance policy, except instead of just preparing for the worst, it actively helps prevent it. Over time, that small upfront investment essentially pays for itself by avoiding expensive repairs. When it comes to choosing the right cooler, brands like B and M and Derail are reliable names in the industry. They're well known for producing high-quality products and offering a range of options that fit different vehicles and driving needs. Whether you have a mid-size sedan, a crossover, or a tough work truck, there's likely a cooler designed to fit your setup. Compatibility isn't usually an issue, and many models come with installation kits that make the process straightforward, even for those who prefer the DIY approach. If you're not feeling confident about handling the install, most mechanics can do the job quickly and at a reasonable cost. Some of you may be wondering if a modification like this could void your warranty. In most cases, it doesn't. Auxiliary coolers don't interfere with factory components. They simply enhance the system. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to double-check with your vehicle's manufacturer. The peace of mind that comes with knowing your transmission is protected is worth it. And for vehicles out of warranty, there's really no downside. Just how far can this upgrade take you? With proper cooling, some transmissions have been proven to last over 300,000 miles, more than double the average lifespan. That's not just an improvement. It's a complete change in what you can expect from your vehicle. Instead of thinking about costly repairs at the 100,000 to 150,000 mile mark, you're looking at getting far more use out of the same transmission, even with demanding driving conditions. For anyone planning to keep their vehicle long-term, this is an upgrade that makes sense. So, the question really comes down to how you use your vehicle. Towing a boat on the weekends, driving in heavy traffic every day, taking road trips through hot climates. These are the scenarios where your factory cooling system is likely to struggle. Upgrading to an auxiliary cooler isn't just about avoiding problems. It's about ensuring that your transmission can handle your lifestyle without ever becoming a point of failure. And if that's something you care about, it's an investment worth making. Heat is quietly dismantling your transmission every time you drive, but it doesn't have to be this way. With the right preventative measures, like installing an auxiliary transmission cooler, you can more than double its lifespan and save thousands in repair costs. Transmission fluid breakdown, clutch failure, and seal damage are avoidable risks if you act now. Don't wait for a breakdown to force your hand. Take control of your vehicle's reliability today. Imagine the money, stress, and time you'll save by upgrading. Could protecting your transmission with this simple fix be the smartest decision you make for your car?